Hey guys, I'm Andy Maker. Thank you for tuning in. This is my first video of my new channel. In this channel we'll be making some cool projects, CNC machining, 3D printing stuff, and some of the stuff may actually work. As you know, this is some pretty interesting times we got going on right now with this whole coronavirus thing. It's really shaking up the world. I would prefer the tequila virus, but that hasn't come through yet. I'm on the list. For my first project for the channel, I decided to make this quarantine count-up counter. It's Arduino based controller. It's in a aluminum stomp box that I just happened to find. I machined out the opening here for the display. I 3D printed the wording here. It's quarantine, and it just shows the hours, minutes, and seconds. Pretty basic right now, but I will be painting this in a funky, distressed techno type of look, and that'll be coming up shortly. Thanks again for tuning in, and please remember to subscribe for upcoming projects and notifications. Hey, before we get started, I figured I'd give you a quick tour of the place, show you what tools I have, the space I'm working with, and it's a tight fit, but I was able to pack a lot of stuff in here. So, let's go. So here you can see my studio for filming. This is where I have all my computers, where I do my CAD work and just general research. It's a small room in my basement, but it works pretty good. Here we have some foam tiles on the wall, which really block out the sound and just give it a pretty decent look. Then here we go. Next room is where I actually do all my making stuff, all my projects. Over here, my 3D printers. This is a Creality CR10S. It's a great machine. I've made a lot of projects with it. My first 3D printer here is the Dremel. Got this quite a while ago, but still pretty solid. Then up here is my quadcopter collection. Right now they're all in one piece, but it doesn't always happen like that. Over here is my Smithy lathe mill combo. I've had that since '95. I don't really use it all that much, but it's a great tool to have anyway. In the back there's a drill press, some of all my other projects I've done. I'm lucky enough to have a little small paint booth that I was able to just plumb into the window outside. It's good enough for doing small projects. Over here is my workbench, my electronics, where I do all the electronics projects. And perhaps the coolest thing of all is this. Who's that guy? Well, that's it. I hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed seeing my project, my shop here where all the mad scientist stuff works. So stay tuned. Thanks. Bye-bye.